Now I am telling you one magic formula which will solve all of your reaction problem for beam and overhang beam. You might be knowing this, or you are taking the moment, but in GATE or in engineering services the time can be constrained and we don't want to spend much time on solving or finding the reaction. So I will give you a simple formula to solve it. What is that? If a point load W is acted in a beam which is simply supported, what is the meaning of simply supported? The meaning of simply supported is that one end is hinge and another is roller. That is the meaning of simply supported. So if you take this, then what you will find that this reaction RA is nothing but W into B divided by A plus B. Is it okay? It means W, the load, into the distance of this load from the roller. That will be your B. So this is your B. And divided by the length of the simply supported beam, which is A plus B. Similarly, what will be your RB? RB will be W, again same, load will come. So W A means opposite to the B, opposite to the this roller. So what is this? A divided by A plus B. Clear? Now you can see the magic of this problem. Okay, so how we will do it very fast. So let us say I have to find 20 kilonewton, clear, with 2 meter and 3 meter. Then what will be my RA? 25 into 2 divided by 5, and this will be 25 into 3 divided by 5. Simple. You might be thinking that by your other method also this is simple. I agree, but let us see when the question gets little bit tougher. This is symmetrical beam, so it is again easy, but let us say you don't know about symmetry. Then what will be this value? What I will do? I will convert the UDL into the point load. Is it okay? So it becomes 20. So what I get? 20 into 2 divided by 4, and what I get here? 20 into 2 divided by 4. Simple. I can understand that it is very simple for you. Now the things will get tough. Let us say you have this, clear, a triangular loading and a point load with some distances, and now you have to find the reaction. So in my method, what you will do? You will convert this triangular loading into a point load. So what will be that? It will be total force is what? 10 into 3 divided by 2. That is the total force, and where it will act? It will act at center of gravity. So I can convert this load to 15 with 1 meter away from this. Now this 10 is standard, so I put it 10 again. Now what will be RA? Now what will be my RA? For this it will be 15 into this distance. So what is this distance? 6 divided by total length 7 plus. Now for this 10 kilonewton, what I will get? 10 into 2 divided by 7. Simple. Now you use your calculator or your mathematical aptitude and solve it. Now if I have to find this reaction, again it is very simple. For this 10, how much it will be? 10 into this distance. So how much it is? 5 divided by 5. 4 plus 2, 7. Plus, for this it will be 15 into 1 divided by 7. Clear? So it is the fastest way to solve it. Now let us see another problem, which is this one. Now I have a load acting downward also. So what I will do? I will convert this UDL into a point load. Clear? So I get 40. Okay, area. What will be the area? Its intensity is 2. So 2 into 7, that is 14, applied at center of gravity 3.5, 3.5. Now what I will get? If you see, for this 15, I will get 15 into 6 divided by 7. For this 10, I will get 10 into 2 divided by 7. Since this is acting upward, so the reaction will be downward. So I will put minus. So what I get? Minus 14 into 3.5 divided by 7. And this will be my RA. If this is A, then this is RA. So simple. Another problem. This. So what is my beam? My beam looks like this. Now, what is the total couple acted? Clockwise 10, clockwise 15 and clockwise 10. So, what is the total moment couple acted? Total couple acted is 35 and the direction is clockwise. You can place it anywhere, it doesn't make any difference. Okay, no need to find the center of gravity. Just place it anywhere. And span of the beam 7 meter. Now, if this couple is 35, then these two reactions will be in such a way that they make opposite of 35. So this is clockwise. So how they will make opposite? This should be downward and this should be upward. So what will happen? This will make a couple in anti-clockwise direction. Is it okay? Clear? So how much I get? 35 divided by 7. This should be equal and opposite of summation V. So how much I get? 35 by 7. So RA will be 35 by 7 and I have proved that it will be downward. So it will be negative. And RB will be 35 by 7 but it will be positive. So you can easily find the direction of the two supports and the reaction. Very easily. If it is clockwise, then this should be downward and this should be upward and vice versa. Now comes the overhang beam. Overhang beam is a beam which has a overhang part on either one side or on the two other side, or it is having a overhang on both the side. So just try to understand that if I place a load here, what will happen? This part will go down and this part will try to lift up. So I need a reaction in this direction to put it back at this point. Clear? So this reaction will be of same in the direction of force. Hence this RB will be greater than this load W. This you should understand. I repeat what I said. If this load is applied in this direction, then RB will be greater than this load W. Why? Because RA will not be in this direction but it will be in downward direction, because the beam will try to lift up. So the reaction will come in the opposite direction, that is downward. Clear? So I have RA and W. So how much will be my RB? So RB will be W plus RA. Is it okay? Now I tell you how to solve this. There are two methods which are very uncommon. They are not, you will not find those methods in books. So I am telling you how to solve overhang part. So let us do it. Let us say I have one beam and an overhang load of 10. This distance is 2 and this distance is 2. For calculation purpose, I have make some easy calculation. Now what you do, you just transfer this load to this point. So this is 10 and a couple will also come of 20. Clear? Now it becomes a simply supported beam. Is it okay? With 20 load here and 10 load here and couple of 20. Now what will be the reaction because of 10? This will be 0 and this will be upward 10. Clear? And what will be the reaction due to this clockwise? Since this is clockwise, I just repeat it again here so you can easily understand. This is my couple of 20. So what will be the reaction? This is clockwise, so this will be anti-clockwise, and this will be both reaction will make a anti-clockwise couple. So this will be downward and this will be upward. And what will be the value? The value will be 20 divided by 2, 20 divided by 2. So how much you get? 10. And how much you get? 10. Is it okay? So what is the final reaction here? It will be 10 plus 10, and here you will be having 10. So you have, what you have done? You have converted the overhang part to a simply supported beam using free body diagram. I have given one more method, but that is very lengthy in my notes. If you want, then you can check my notes, but on online I have developed another method which is quite simple. Now let us take this and solve it. Okay, so I have two overhangs, one 10, one 20 and one middle 15. So let us solve it very quickly. So what will happen? If you take this 15, then how much I will get? 15 into 2 divided by 3. Let us draw here so that you can better understand this. So first part is no overhang, simple 15, 3 and 2. So how much you will have this? You will have 15 into 2 divided by 5. Is it okay? And what will be this value? This value will be 15 into 3 divided by 2. Now take the first overhang on left hand side. So this is 20. So what I will do? I will place this 20 here and a couple of 20 also. So how much I will get? I will get 20 because of this. And what will be this? Because of this couple, I will get this downward, hence this upward. So how much I will get? 20 divided by 5, and this will be 20 divided by 5. Clear? Now draw the third one. Which is 10. Okay, and 3 and 5. So what will be this? This will be 10 because this will be transferred here. So I get 10. Now there is a couple of 30. Is it okay? So this is a couple of 30 in anti-clockwise direction. So these two reactions will make it clockwise. So how much I will get? 30 by 5, and here also 30 by 5. If you add all the three, you will get the final answer. So how much it is? 15 into 2 divided by 5 minus, this is minus 30 by 5 plus 10 plus 30 by 5. Is it okay? And second reaction you can calculate directly by summation V equal to 0 or by adding these three. So it looks like that it is tough, but it becomes very easy when you do little bit of practice. Similarly, if you take this question, this is again a very complex loading with lot of loads. But what you do, you follow the same principle. Try to convert each load into a point load. So what I have done, I have converted this into point load. This is a point load. I have converted this UDL into the point load. I have put all the couples and then follow the same and get the answer. You practice it. If you find any difficulty, you can WhatsApp me on the number and I will be ready to help you in every possible way. Clear? The WhatsApp number is given at this part. So you just check the WhatsApp and WhatsApp me. If you find any doubt you are not able to solve, I will help you through WhatsApp. Now take one very special question that appeared twice in GATE, that there is a couple of UDL. Okay, I'm sorry. There is a couple of UDL. Clear? But now if you follow my theory, then again I will do the same thing, that I will place this total couple UDL as its area. Okay, so what is the area? 10 into 3, 30. Place it at its center of gravity. Is it okay? Clear? Now what will be the reaction? Reaction will be 0. This reaction will be 0, and total moment is what? 30 in x direction. So 30 will be in clockwise direction. So this reaction will be 30 in anti-clockwise direction. Now just try to understand what is this 10 kilonewton meter per meter shows. It shows that there is a series of moment applied at equal interval, and what is the intensity? 10 kilonewton meter per meter. Now in class I give one homework, I give it here also. If you able to do it, you can WhatsApp me the answer. The question is like this: there is a series of couple in UDL, okay, and the intensity of this is 10 kilonewton meter per meter, and 3 meter is the total length. You have to find the moment. Clear? So what we will do, I will solve it, don't worry about WhatsApp. I will solve it right now. So what will be the total? You just convert this into the point load or point moment now. So what will be the point moment? It will be half into 10 into 3. So it will be 15 kilonewton meter. So what will be my reaction? My reaction will be 15. Is it okay? So simple. Clear? Now come to the last part of this series, which is your inclined loaded UDL. If the load is inclined, then what we will do? We will convert it into the point loads. Again same point load. So what I will get? I will get a point load of 10 into 2 into sine of 30, because every UDL point load, when I will convert, it will give a resolution of sine 30. So what I will get? 10 into 2 sine 30. So that becomes 10. Clear? It will be acted at center of gravity. Now similarly, when all the forces will be inclined and they come horizontally downward, what will I get? I will get again 10 into 2 cos 30 now. Is it okay? Clear? And that too in which direction? In this direction. So what will be my reaction now? My reaction will be, this will be 10 kilonewton, and here I will have a reaction in this direction, which is 10 into 2 into cos 30. So 10 into 2 into cos 30. So that is the answer. Is it okay? This is a nice question. You just keep it. Now symmetrical beam I will be solving when I will be discussing the shear force and bending moment diagram, where I will give you the concept of symmetrical beam. This is very important and it makes our question very simple. I thank you for patiently listening me. If you have any doubt, WhatsApp me on this number, and if you like this video, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel and write comment so that I can help you in better way. Thank you very much.